Question number 5. Find the value of k for which each of the following quadratic equation has equal roots. Given equation is x square plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4k and c is equal to k square minus k plus 2. Discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. d is equal to b is 4k raised to power 2 minus 4 into 1 into k square minus k plus 2, 4ac. So discriminant is equal to 0. Put discriminant d equal to 0. 4k square, that is 16k raised to power 2 minus 4k square minus 4 into k square minus 4k square minus 4 into minus k, that is plus 4k, and minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8, equal to 0. 16k square minus 4k square is equal to 12k square plus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. We are taking common 4 in bracket 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. 4 not equal to 0 and quadratic equation 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0, and we are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last is equal to minus 6k square. Product of first and last is equal to minus 6k square, that is 3k minus 2k, and 3k minus 2k is equal to k. Their sum is equal to k and product is equal to minus 6k square, which implies 3k raised to power 2 plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. And in first two we are taking common 3k, and in bracket k plus 1, in bracket k plus 1 and common minus 2 equal to 0. 3k minus 2 one pair and k plus 1 other equal to 0. 3k minus 2 equal to 0, which implies k is equal to 2 upon 3, and k plus 1 is equal to 0, then k is equal to minus 1. So we get the value of k equal to minus 1 comma 2 upon 3. Answer. Second part is given. K minus 4 into x raised to power 2 plus 2k minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. and we are comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is equal to k minus 4 and b is equal to 2 into k minus 4 and c is equal to 4. Constant term c is equal to 4, and using the formula d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Discriminant d is equal to 2 into k minus 4 raised to power 2 minus 4 into k minus 4 into 4. Discriminant d is equal to 2 square is 2 2s are 4 and k minus 4 raised to power 2 minus 4 4s are 16 and k minus 4. Discriminant d is equal to 4 in bracket a minus b whole square, that is equal to k square plus 4 square minus 2 into k into 4 2ab minus 16k plus 64. 16 4s are 64 and 4 is multiplying, that is 4 into k square plus 16 minus 8k minus 16k plus 64, and discriminant d is equal to 4k square plus 64 minus 32k minus 16k plus 64. D is equal to 4k square minus 32k minus 16k, that is equal to minus 48k, and 64 plus 64 is equal to 128. To find the value of k, put d is equal to 0, discriminant equal to 0, that is 4k square minus 48k plus 128 equal to 0. We are taking common 4 in this quadratic equation, and k square minus 12k plus 32 equal to 0. 32 4s are 128. 4 is not equal to 0, and quadratic equation k square minus 12k plus 32 is equal to 0, and we are splitting by middle term. 8k minus 4k equal to minus 12k. Their sum is equal to minus 12k, and 8k into 4k, that is equal to 32k square. Product will be 32k square, which implies k square minus 8k minus 4k plus 32 equal to 0, and k is common in bracket k minus 8, in bracket k minus 8 and minus 4 common equal to 0. So we get k minus 4 and k minus 8 equal to 0. K is equal to 4 and k is equal to 8. So we get the value of k is equal to 4 comma 8. Answer. Given equation is x square plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 equal to 0, and comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a is 1, b is 4k, c is equal to k square minus k plus 2. And we are using the formula discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac, and b is 4k, 4k square is 16k square minus 4 into 1 into k square minus k plus 2, its value of c. And when b multiplying 4 into k square, that is minus 4k square minus 4 into minus k, that will be positive 4k, and minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8. It's a quadratic equation. 16k square minus 4k square equal to 12k square plus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. In this quadratic equation, we are taking common 4 and in bracket 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. And we are splitting this quadratic equation by splitting middle term. The sum of two number is 3k minus 2k, that is equal to k, and their product will be minus 6k square. That is first and last. And we are taking common 3k in bracket k plus 1 and taking common minus 2 in bracket k plus 1. K plus 1 one time, 3k minus 2 one time equal to 0. 3k minus 2 equal to 0 means k is equal to 2 is shifting right side, this will be positive, and 3k equal to 2, and value of k is equal to 2 divided by 3, and k plus 1 is 0, k is equal to minus 1. So we get the value of k equal to minus 1 comma 2 upon 3. And second part is given k minus 4x square plus 2, k minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. And we are comparing this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to k minus 4, b equal to 2 into k minus 4, and c is equal to constant number, that is 4. And we are applying the formula discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, and putting the value of b 2 into k minus 4 square minus 4 into k minus 4 into c is 4. 2 square is 4, k minus 4 square minus 4 into 4, that is 16 into k minus 4. And a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 16k minus minus plus 64. And 4 is multiplying 4 into k square, that is 4k square. 4 4s are 16. 4 into 16, 64. 4 into 8k, that is minus 32k minus 16k plus 64. And this quadratic equation is equal to 4k square. 32k plus 16k is minus 48k, and 64 plus 64, that is 128. To find the value of k, discriminant is equal to 4k square minus 48k plus 128. Put discriminant equal to 0. Then 4 is taking common in this quadratic equation in bracket k square minus 12k plus 32 equal to 0. And quadratic equation is k square minus 12k plus 32 equal to 0. We are solving this quadratic equation by splitting middle term. The product of first and last is equal to 32k square, and we are taking two number, that is minus 8x and minus 4x. Sum of minus 8x and minus 4x equal to minus 12x, and their product will be 32k square. So we are taking common k, and in bracket k minus 8 in bracket, and minus 4 is common. One root k minus 4, other root k minus 8 equal to 0. K minus 4 equal to 0 means k is equal to positive 4, and k minus 8 equal to 0 means k is equal to positive 8. So we get the value of k is equal to 4, 8 answer. Thank you.